It was a dark night, yet for humanity, it became the dawn of a new era. December 25th, 2021, a date that became immortal. The day when a dream, a vision, a masterpiece of human genius was launched in the void of space to uncover the deepest secrets of the universe. Its name was the James Webb Space Telescope, not just to see the stars, but to pierce through time itself, to take us back to an age when even light had just begun to breathe, when the universe had barely opened its eyes. Pause, echoing effect. This is not just a telescope, it's a time machine. In January 2022, it reached its destination, Lagrange Point 2, 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth, floating in a place where gravity is silent and stillness is absolute. And then, on July 12, 2022, James Webb revealed its first vision. An image, but not just pixels on a screen. It was a cosmic ocean, with islands of galaxies drifting in eternal silence. It was a sacred scroll, with the secrets of existence written in the language of stars. Every nebula, every sparkle, every shadow. James Webb returned it to us, showing us who we are and where we came from. Background music softens, hopeful undertones. And this is only the beginning, because James Webb is still out there, silent but awake, chasing mysteries, rewriting the story of time, and placing light where there was only darkness. The James Webb revelation, beyond light, beyond time. Background music, deep, slow build-up with eerie cosmic undertones. We thought we had seen everything. We believed our telescopes had touched the edge of the universe. But James Webb proved us wrong, since it opened its golden eyes to the cosmos. James Webb has revealed a universe far older, far stranger, far more alive than we ever imagined. It peered into the birthplaces of stars, massive clouds of dust collapsing under gravity, giving birth to suns that will burn for billions of years. It stared into the hearts of distant galaxies, where monstrous black holes devour matter, and time itself begins to bend. And yet, it saw order in chaos, patterns in madness. The fingerprints of creation, SFX, low cosmic pulse, heartbeat of the universe. But then it went further. It turned its gaze toward exoplanets, alien worlds orbiting distant stars. And what it found left scientists in awe. Carbon dioxide, water vapor, clouds forming over alien skies. Somewhere, hundreds of light years away, there is rain falling on a world that has never known our sun. Pause. Soft swell and music, awe and mystery. We are no longer just stargazers. We are seekers, looking for the whispers of life among the stars. James Webb has also shattered our understanding of cosmic time. It captured the oldest galaxies ever seen, from just 300 million years after the Big Bang. They shouldn't even exist. Not this early, not this massive. Yet they are there, glowing, watching us, challenging the very laws of physics we thought were unbreakable. Some scientists now ask, is our understanding of the Big Bang incomplete? Are there forces beyond dark matter and dark energy still hidden from view? Music darkens, becomes more tense. Whispers are growing in the scientific world of multiverses, of mirror realities, of hidden dimensions waiting behind veils of gravity and time. James Webb didn't just open a new chapter. It may have opened an entirely different book. Music softens, ethereal, celestial tones. And yet, in its silence, it says nothing. No voice, no sound, just image after image, data after data, as if it's letting us write our own story. Page by page, star by star, final moment, soft music with echo. We send James Webb to search the skies. Instead, it's helping us discover ourselves. James Webb and the forgotten truths of the cosmos. Background music, deep ambient swell, emotional space choir tones. There comes a point in every journey where discovery turns into meaning and silence becomes sacred. James Webb isn't just capturing light. It's revealing a truth that was written in the stars long before we existed. A truth that humanity forgot as we built walls of steel and concrete. and drown the sky in artificial light. Because out there in the infinite cold lie the answers to questions we've carried since the dawn of time. Where did we come from? Why are we here? And are we alone? Webb's golden mirrors reflect more than galaxies. They reflect our longing, our ache to connect with something beyond ourselves. When Webb captured the light from a galaxy 13 billion years old, that light had been traveling longer than Earth had existed, longer than oceans had formed, longer than the first heartbeat of the first human. We looked at it and saw our beginning. SFX, echoed heartbeat, soft, rhythmic. But what if Webb isn't just looking backward in time? What if it's showing us our future too? Imagine civilizations that rose and fell before Earth had its first sunrise. Alien minds who watched their own skies with their own telescopes, wondering if someone out there was watching them back. And now, perhaps through James Webb, we are waving to each other across time. Music swells with emotion, warmth. This telescope, this machine of mirrors and wires, has become something more. It's a bridge between science and wonder, between facts and faith, between man and the mysteries of creation. In its stillness, Webb asks us a question we've been too afraid to face. What will you do with what you now know? Will we destroy what we have, or will we evolve? Will we embrace the cosmos, or collapse within ourselves? Because space is not empty. It is full of history, of memory, of whispers waiting to be heard. And James Webb, that silent eye in the sky, is listening, closing soft echo. We are not alone, not in space, not in time, not in meaning.